Land grabbing is becoming a major concern in Ondo State, with many landowners falling victim of illegal takeovers and fraudulent resale of their property. The situation has led to widespread displacement and growing tensions across affected communities. To address the crisis, the Ondo State House of Assembly on December 30, 2024 passed a law prohibiting forceful entry and illegal occupation of landed property. Recently signed into law by Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa, it aims to reduce land-related conflicts and bring sanity to land administration in the state. To enforce the legislation, the governor inaugurated the State Task Force on Property Protection and Anti-Land Grabbing. State coordinator of the task force, Olabode Ayegusi, outlined the key objectives of the task force, emphasizing its commitment to justice and transparency.
Ordinarily and formally, when there's such a report, the process or the structure is on ground such that when such incident is reported to the task force, the next thing is to take measure to have this incident documented first, and that is why we in process is a form that we refer to as land grabbing complete form, and that is the starting point. The next thing is for other arms and units of the task force to move into action. It's more at this stage of a field work. We'll actually have to move, having done the documentation, move into the place and verify the authenticity of the claim of the complainant. And after that, the next is to invite the person that have been accused or the group of people that have been accused, depending, to hear from them.
He also urged victims of land grabbing to report cases and seek redress through appropriate legal channels.
A citizen or an indigent who feels aggrieved in respect of his or her land or in connection with the land can petition the task force through the Ministry of Justice Ondo State. When it gets to the ministry, there is a form already in place that we call complainant's form, and they have to fill the form, and from there the task force takes the next step.
Stakeholders have welcomed the task force as a timely initiative, yet they stress the need for full implementation and sustained enforcement.
This will give us a new lease because there are a lot of cases in courts over land issues in Ondo State and its environment. It's a welcome development. I only hope that they allow this to be well implemented.
The newly passed law prescribes strict penalties, including 10-year imprisonment for land grabbing and forceful entry, 5 years or a 5 million naira fine for illegal occupation, and up to 21 years for unlawful property resale. While the legal framework and enforcement team are now in place, many are watching to see how effectively these measures will curb land grabbing in Ondo State. Blessing Obi, OSRC News.